In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a space in Circle. If you manage a community in Circle and need to permanently remove a space, this walkthrough will take you through the process clearly and safely. Before we start, a quick note. You'll typically need to be an admin or have the right permissions for the space. If you don't see the delete option later, it may be a permissions issue. First, open Circle and navigate to the specific space you want to remove. A space is usually listed in your community's sidebar or visible on your homepage. Click into it so you're looking at that space's main page. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct space by checking its name in the header. Deleting a space is permanent, so a quick double check here can save a lot of hassle later. Once you're in the right place, look at the top right corner of the space header for the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click that gear to open the space settings. If you're on a smaller screen or mobile, this may be tucked inside a menu, so expand the header options if you don't see it right away. Inside the settings, you'll land on the General tab by default. This is where the space's core options live. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Circle separates basic configuration from the more serious actions, and the delete option is intentionally placed at the bottom to prevent accidental clicks. At the bottom, you'll see a red button labeled Delete Space. Because this action cannot be undone, pause here if you need to export content, notify members, or move any important posts. Once you're sure, click the Delete Space button. A confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you truly intend to remove the space. Follow the prompt exactly. Type delete in all caps or type the space name as shown depending on what the screen asks for. This confirmation step is required to proceed. After you've typed the confirmation text correctly, click delete space to finalize. Circle will remove the space and you'll be taken back to the broader community view. Any links pointing to the deleted space will no longer work, so it's a good idea to update navigation menus or featured sections if they referenced it. If you didn't see the delete option at any point, verify your role or ask a community admin to handle the deletion. And if something doesn't look right, refresh your browser and repeat the steps to ensure you're acting on the correct space. That's it, you've successfully deleted a space in Circle.